Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California, West Central Clark County in Southern Nevada until 6:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:44 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, downloads are indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen near Sandy Valley. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source,